Hey guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you fix Google Chrome not opening. So at first, just go to your taskbar and right click on it. And here you will see Task Manager, click on it. Click on Task Manager. And here you will see all this list here. Just click on Google Chrome. Right click on Google Chrome and just end task. And do it for all the same. End task. If you find any Google Chrome here, just end task it. Now just go back and just right click on your Google Chrome, and here you can see this option here, open file location. Right click on your Google Chrome and just click on rename. Click on rename option and just rename it just like a Google Chrome your name or anything. Google Chrome 1, just like I'm renaming it. Now just go back and relaunch your Google Chrome. Here you can see the Google Chrome is opening. So guys, that's how you can fix it. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching the video.